Jeff here with American Profit Recovery, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 4 types of business advisors your business needs. If you own a business, you know that it can be challenging, but with the help of a CPA, business attorney, PR and marketing consultant, and a collection agency, your business will be ready for whatever comes its way. First, let's talk about how a certified public accountant can be a great asset to your company. They are financial professionals who analyze how money is used by a business. They may audit financial statements, serve as consultants for tax, accounting, financial planning. CPAs are strategic business advisors which can be beneficial to any company looking to grow or increase their revenue. The second advisor to work with is a good business attorney who will provide vital assistance in every aspect of your business, from basic zoning compliance, copyright and trademark advice, formal business incorporation, lawsuits, and liability. Another advisor you should work with is a PR and marketing consultant. They will be responsible for a wide variety of things in your business. They will identify new ways to bring in customers, critique copy and marketing material, and identify and launch new product opportunities. They may direct and manage your brand, which includes helping maintain your business social media pages. Finally, an important asset to your business will be a collection agency who will help your business save time and money by collecting your late accounts. If you use a reputable agency, you will get paid quicker and save internal costs. They will also be able to give you business advice on having a plan for late accounts and can advise your business on how to save money. It's important to have an established relationship with a collection agency so you don't leave money sitting on the table. These 4 advisors will work with your business to fill your needs and help your business grow and increase revenue. As your business grows, with the help of these advisors, you won't have time to worry about late accounts. So it's important to work with a reputable collection agency, such as APR, to make a difference in your business. For more advice in your business, head to our blog at AmericanProfit.net.